Hey pack leaders, this is here. Friends there, protect the pack. I'm going to give you guys an XBT freshly tuned setting, and it's for tested on live wallet. Setting is set up so that it will not ever lose unless liquidated. So go ahead and take the setting and try it out for yourself. What it's going to do is make sure that you've put this fee as negative 0.025 as the rebate that you get for trading. And go ahead and make sure you have a minimum price change to sell of 0.1 so that it will always sell in profit. It will not sell unless it's not, if it's not in profit, it will just hold it until it is in profit. Okay, so let me go ahead. Oh, what happened to that? Should have clicked it. There you go. And then go ahead and grab the rest of this setting, pause the video if you need to. Okay, and try it for yourself. Let me know how it goes. So far, it's already earned 1% within like the last, I don't know, 2 hours or so this morning. And it's waiting for another entry to go back in. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped. If you want access to tuner, just click on the link below and go from there. Thanks.